We'll guide you through how to make box design Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file and ensure you are starting from a blank canvas. Change the document units to centimeters so all measurements are accurate and consistent. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar to start creating the box structure. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Ctrl key to draw the base side of the box with even proportions. Select the base shape and adjust the object size. For example, set the width and height to 18 centimeters to define the main surface. Copy and paste the base shape to create the back side panel. Then change the width, for example to 6 centimeters. Adjust the layout by moving the object to the right while holding the Shift key so alignment stays straight. Copy and paste the base shape again to create the top side. Then adjust the layout using the same method. Copy and paste the top shape and change the width, for example to 3 centimeters, to form a thinner top edge. Adjust the layout again using the same alignment method for consistency. Convert this object to curves. Then select the Shape tool and adjust the form as shown to add perspective. Copy and paste the backside object and adjust its position by moving it to the left to balance the layout. Copy and paste the front side object and change the angle of rotation to 90 degrees to create a vertical face. Adjust the layout to match the position shown in the video so proportions look correct. Copy and paste this object, change the height to 3 centimeters, then adjust its position to refine the side detail. Convert the object to curves, select the Shape tool, and adjust the shape as shown for smoother edges. Copy and paste both side objects and select Mirror vertically to create symmetry. Adjust their positions by moving them while holding the Shift key to maintain alignment. Copy and paste this object, change the height to 2.5 centimeters, and adjust the layout for added detail. Convert the object to curves, select the Shape tool, and adjust the shape as shown to complete the form. Copy and paste the object into 3 parts and adjust their positions accordingly to build the full box structure. Add color to the object according to your preference.